welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the different terminals that are available in Arco Linux with the themes. So different themes are available for each of these three terminals shown here: Alacrity, XFCE terminal and the Termite. So let us first do check out the Alacrity. So Alacrity is by default not installed in the XFCE desktop of Arco Linux. So let us install it. It is a one button installation. Okay, so it is there. Alacrity is there. Okay, but here this button is not grayed out. So I thought it was not installed, but it is there. Now let us check out the themes. So themes are also already installed, and you can remove the themes by clicking this button, and you can set the ATT. That is ATT means Arch Linux Tweak Tool. So Arch Tweak Tool, that is ATT Alacrity. So you can reset the theme to default. Now let us open it here. Okay, now let us check out the Alacrity theme. What is the default theme in Alacrity? So we can use fetch. Let us see what happens. So I think no theme is installed right now. Let me check it here. No. So there is no theme as such. Only this background color is little dark brown, or we can say brownish black color is there. Other than that, you can see here, I will just show it is brownish black color. So other than that, there is no Alacrity theme I can see. Okay, so now what we will do is let us check out the XFCE terminal. So I know that XFCE terminal is installed, but it is, you can see here, XFCE terminal is already installed, but the themes are not there. Let us install those themes. Let us see what happens. I think it will take time. Yes, the prod 16 XFCE theme is installed. Now let us open the terminal. Here also you see no, as such no themes are there. Let us go and execute some command. So the theme, if it is available, will be shown. So there is no background involved in the themes. I also don't see any special font colors or like something like that. So it's just simple. There is nothing much involved in the XFCE theme in Arco Linux using the ATT, that is the Arco Linux Tweak Tool. So I will close this. Now let us install Termite. Yes, Termite is now installed. Let us install the Termite themes. Yes, Arco Linux Termite themes Git is now installed. Now let us open the Termite emulator, or you can use Termite, use the command line. Okay, let us see what happens. So here also I think you can use sudo. Okay. I don't see any difference here. Okay, workspaces, nothing is there here to change the themes or anything like that. So it's more or less same only, not much difference in the three. So, and yes, in Termite you can now apply the theme. So this theme was not applied. What we will do is let us apply the theme. So here you can see different themes are there in Termite. So let us use the Arco Linux 3024 theme. Apply the Termite theme. Now let us open Termite. Yes, you can see the color of fonts has changed. Yes, now it is changed. No, this is I think better for my eyes than the white color. So the white will produce pain in my eyes. So this is better color. Now let us change to, let us use estuary. Let us try this out. Apply the theme, and we have to close it, reopen again. So here, let us see what the theme does. Nothing, not much. Okay, Now let us use something else. Seaside. Let us try Seaside. So I think it is not working or something like that, or maybe we require to restart the system. But immediately it is not working. It should, because they are told once you change the config and restart the terminal, the themes will get applied. But it is not getting applied. So that's it. Just I wanted to show you the different possibilities that exist with the Arco Linux and Arch Linux using the Arch Linux Tweak tool or ATT. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.